Be sure to learn about and implement safety rules that you should follow to prevent falls from scaffolds. These are rules that should be observed on a work platform. Let's prevent stumbling by the warning statements for the ground wiring and providing a cover. Always keep things organized in a workplace. Let's attract attention by coloring the edges of a small step, such as a planking. Let's display safety passages with the section or mats and colors. Let's divide and display the material temporary storage place and the work area with color cones, etc. When assembling formwork support, please observe these basic rules, such as attaching horizontal collar braces in 2 directions, X, Y. Observe these rules when assembling the outer panel formwork. Let's use the personal fall arrest systems. Let's take measures of the entry prohibition under the workplace. Let's confirm that there is a horizontal curing net 1 floor below. Let's check wall tie fittings for the scaffold. Do not work in the strong wind, as the panel may be blown by the wind. Let's put small items in a container bag, etc., to prevent falling. Observe the following rules for horizontal collar braces for slab formwork. In order to prevent collapse of the formwork support, horizontal collar braces are provided to connect the 2 directions of the support. Let's check whether the intervals are the same as the assembly drawing developed in advance. Let's call out to each other and work to prevent pipes from falling. The reinforcing materials connecting the lower part of the vertical members are fastened with clamps. One should not rest on these. When dismantling the formwork support, please observe these points, such as following a predetermined order for dismantling. When using a portable ladder, please observe the following rules. When it exceeds 1.5 meters in height and depth, install a safe lifting facility. Use safety line and the personal fall arrest systems when there is a risk of crash. When use a ladder, use it in a stable place. Let the top of the ladder protrude more than 60 millimeters. Do not carry out a reaction work on the ladder. Use a ladder with non-slip rubber. Let's install tread bars at equal intervals. Use a ladder with a width of 30 centimeters or more. Let's set the installation angle to about 75 degrees. Let's go up and down without holding an object. When using a rolling tower, please observe the following rules. Let's use the personal fall arrest systems. Let's use a rolling tower that has the raising and lowering equipment. Let's go up and down without holding objects. Let's use a rolling tower that has caster brakes on 4 wheels. Let's install outriggers correctly. Don't move a rolling tower with people on it. Let's use below the height limit. Let's display the person in charge. Let's display loaded load. Do not use a stepladder, etc. on the work platform. Use a rolling tower with handrails which height is 85 millimeters or more. When working on top of a slab, please observe these points, such as following instructions from the operation chief and always using lifting equipment on slabs.